My name is Nompendulo Mpongwana. I'm from here, Nonkululeko Gardens. These 678 square meters, we're growing vegetables from them. And then we're doing a soup kitchen that is feeding the community 3 times a day. That is our passion, actually. We're not doing it for profit of anything, but we need to sustain as well the garden. That is why we have markets. Thank you for that support. I'm grateful for that because it's keeping us on toes. This is legal jam. Legal jam is growing so beautifully. This is Karen, busy there harvesting the spring onion. We've been here for the last 30 years with the old ladies. But in this 6 months joining with this project of Khulisa Amafama, it's exciting. We never have to see in our bank account the profit that we have now. And we never have been busy like we're busy every day because they're keeping us moving.